Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delegate your account on the X app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the X app. And here it opens up in the feed where we have our posts from the people that we are following. Then we have to swipe to the right. Then if we scroll down in this list, we find settings and support. Then in this toggle list, we tap on settings and privacy, then on security and account access, and then at the bottom of the list, we find delegate. Now if we tap on this, the app is going to load. We have to wait a bit, but then we can tap this little button at the top to allow others to invite you to their account. And this way we can post from that account without owning it. So we have access to it, but we don't have the ownership rights. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.